Hello students, today's topic is second order derivatives from the chapter number 5, continuity and differentiability. Today you are studying second order derivatives, means how to differentiate the function two times, double differentiation or successive differentiation. If y is equal to f of x is a given function, then f dash of x is called the first order derivative of f of x and is denoted by y1 or y dash, or that is same as dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. See the notation in the first order derivative. If the function y is given, y1, y dash or dy by dx you can use. If they are given f of x, that time you can use f dash of x. Any one of the notation you have to use for the first order derivative. Then if you are differentiating again, you will get d by dx of dy by dx is equal to d square y by dx square is equal to f double dash of x is called second order derivative of f of x and is denoted by y2 or y double dash. See the notations here. Differentiation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square. F dash of x is f double dash of x, or you can use the notation y2 y double dash. Means if the function y is given, first derivative is y1, then second derivative is y2, or y dash y double dash dy by dx d square y by dx square f dash of x f double dash of x, which notation they given in the problem that you use. Otherwise any one notation you use if they are not mentioned. Exercise 5.7. Find the second order derivative of the following function from question number 1 to 10. The first question is x square plus 3x plus 2. And you have to find out double differentiation. Yeah, now given function I am taking as y, explicit function. So y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Now differentiate with respect to x, you will get dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x plus differentiation of 3x is 3. Differentiation of constant you know that is 0. So dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3. Now once again I am differentiating. Differentiation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square is equal to differentiation of 2x is 2, differentiation of plus 3 constant is 0. So d square y by dx square is equal to 2. Second question, x to the power 20. Again explicit function. So start with y is equal to x to the power 20. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Differentiation of x to the power 20 is 20 into x to the power 19. Now once again you differentiate, you will get d square y by dx square is equal to 20 as it is. Differentiation of x to the power 19 is 19 into x to the power 18, that is 380 x to the power 18. Third question, x into cos x. Given function is explicit function, so start with y is equal to x into cos x, and the given function is product of two functions. First function is x and the second function is cos x. So apply product rule to find out the derivative. Now differentiation of y is dy by dx, that is equal to first function as it is, that is x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, plus second function as it is, that is cos x. Differentiation of x is 1. Simplify, you will get minus x sin x plus cos x. Now find out second order derivative. Now differentiation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square, that is equal to minus as it is. Now again product of two function. So first function x as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x, plus sin x as it is, differentiation of x is 1. And differentiation of plus cos x is minus sin x. Simplify this, you will get minus x cos x minus sin x minus sin x. That is same as minus x cos x minus 2 sin x. That is a solution for third problem. Now the fourth one, function is given log x. What is the double derivative of log x? So given function I am taking as y is equal to log x because explicit function. differentiate with respect to x, you will get dy by dx is equal to 1 by x. Now double derivative, that is d square y by dx square, is differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Question number 11. If y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, prove that d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Now there are two methods. One is from the solution. From the solution, or function is given. From that you have to get the equation. Another one is you have to find out dy by dx value, d square y by dx square value. You have to substitute in the left hand side of the equation and you have to get right hand side. That is, you have to substitute y and d square y by dx square value and you have to prove that is equal to 0. Okay, I am going for the first method. From the solution, I am getting the equation for this problem. Now given function is y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. You will get dy by dx is equal to 5 as it is. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Minus 3 as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Now again you differentiate, you will get d square y by dx square is equal to minus 5 as it is. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Minus 3 as it is, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Now from this I am taking minus outside and remaining is 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. From the question given, y value is y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. So that is same as d square y by dx square is equal to minus y. Write minus y in the left side, you will get d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0, which is the required equation, hence it is proved. Question number 12. If y is equal to cos inverse x, find d square y by dx square in terms of y alone. Means second order derivative, that is d square y by dx square. Answer should be in the form of y. Means answer only in terms of y. So I will start with y is equal to cos inverse x, but I am using inverse trigonometric function definition, that is cos y is equal to x. Now I am differentiating with respect to x. I am getting differentiation of cos y is minus sin y into dy by dx, because composite function I use chain rule. That is equal to differentiation of x is 1. Simplify, you will get dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by sin y. You know 1 by sin y is cosec, so here you will get minus cosec y. Now I am differentiating once again, that is differentiation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square is equal to minus as it is, differentiation of cosec y is minus cosec y cot y dy by dx. So simplify, you will get minus into minus, it becomes plus, so cosec y cot y dy by dx. So here d square y by dx square is equal to, substitute dy by dx value, that is cosec y. So d square y by dx square is cosec y cot y into minus cosec y. Simplify, you will get minus cosec square y into cot y. If y is equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x, show that x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0. See here the notation is given, y1 that is the first order derivative and y2 that is the second order derivative. I am using same notation when I am calculating the first and second order derivatives. Now given function is y is equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of y is y1 is equal to differentiation of 3 cos of log x is 3 into minus sin of log x into 1 by x plus 4 as it is, differentiation of sin of log x is cos of log x into 1 by x. To easily to get the answer, I am multiplying throughout the equation by x to cancel that 1 by x term from right side. So I will get x into y1 is equal to minus 3 sin of log x plus 4 cos of log x. Now I am differentiating once again. Left side is a product of two function. I'm using product rule. So first function, second function is y1. So first function as it is, that is x as it is, differentiation of y1 is y2 plus y1 as it is, that is second function as it is, differentiation of x is 1 is equal to differentiation of minus 3 sine of log x is minus 3 into cos of log x into 1 by x plus differentiation of 4 cos of log x is 4 as it is, differentiation of cos of log x is minus sine of log x into 1 by x. Again I am multiplying with x to cancel that 1 by x term. So when I am multiplying with x, my left side is x square y2 plus x y1 is equal to minus 3 cos of log x minus sine of log x. From right side I am taking minus outside, remaining is, that is 3 cos of log x plus 4 sine of log x. From the question given, y value is equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sine of log x. I am substituting. So x square plus y2 plus x y1 is equal to minus y. Writing minus y in the left side, I will get x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0, which is the required equation, hence it is proved. If y is equal to a into e to the power mx plus b into e to the power nx, then prove that d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn into y is equal to 0. So here I am using the method. First I am calculating dy by dx, d square y by dx square. Then I am substituting these values in the left side of the equation and proving left hand side is equal to right hand side. Means substituting the values in the left hand side, that is d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn into y, and proving that is equal to 0. So now we are given function is y is equal to a into e to the power mx plus b into e to the power nx. Now differentiate with respect to x, you will get dy by dx is equal to, a is a constant as it is, differentiation of e to the power mx is e to the power mx into m plus differentiation of b into e to the power nx is b into e to the power nx into n. Simplify, you will get a m e to the power mx plus b n e to the power nx. Now once again you differentiate to find out double derivative, that is differentiation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square is equal to, now am is a constant, differentiation of e to the power mx is e to the power mx into m plus bn is a constant, differentiation of e to the power nx is e to the power nx into n. Simplify, you will get am square e to the power mx plus bn square e to the power nx. Now substitute d square y by dx square value, dy by dx value and y value in the left side of the equation. That is left hand side is equal to, in place of d square y by dx square I am substituting the value, that is am square e to the power mx plus b into n square e to the power nx minus m plus n as it is. Now substitute the value dy by dx, that is am e to the power mx plus bn e to the power nx plus mn into y value from the question, that is a into e to the power mx plus b into e to the power nx. Simplify, that is am square e to the power mx plus bn square e to the power nx minus m into the first term, that is am square e to the power mx minus again m into bn e to the power nx, that is same as bmn e to the power nx. Again I am multiplying with minus n with that two terms, that is minus amn e to the power mx minus bn square e to the power nx, and the last two terms as it is, that is amn e to the power mx plus bn mn e to the power nx. Simplify, see that all the terms will cancel, you will get the answer is 0, and that is clearly same as right hand side, hence it is proved. Question number 15. If y is equal to 500 e to the power 7x plus 600 e to the power minus 7x, show that d square y by dx square is equal to 49y. Yeah, here given function is y is equal to 500 e to the power 7x plus 600 e to the power minus 7x. Differentiate with respect to x, you will get dy by dx is equal to 500 e to the power 7x into 7 plus 600 e to the power minus 7x into minus 7. So I am writing that 7 first, that is 7 into 500 into e to the power 7x plus minus 7 into 600 into e to the power minus 7x. Now once again you differentiate to find out double derivative. So d square y by dx square is equal to 7 into 500, that is a constant as it is. Differentiation of e to the power 7x is e to the power 7x into 7 plus minus 7 into 600 as it is. Differentiation of e to the power 7 minus 7x is e to the power minus 7x into minus 7. Now 7 into 7, that is 49. From each term you take common 49 outside. That is same as d square y by dx square is equal to 49 into, from the first term remaining is 500 e to the power 7x plus from the second term you taken 49 outside, that is minus 7 into minus 7 is plus 49. That 49 you taken outside. So remaining is 600 e to the power minus 7x. You know from the question 500 e to the power 7x plus 600 e to the power minus 7x is y. So you will get d square y by dx square is equal to 49y, which is the required equation, and it is proved. Question number 16. If e to the power y into x plus 1 is equal to 1, show that d square y by dx square is equal to dy by dx whole square. Given function is implicit function, both y and x present, so don't start with y. Directly you have to differentiate. Refer exercise 5.3, implicit functions, differentiation of implicit functions. Now given function is e to the power y into x plus 1, product of two function is equal to 1. Yeah, now differentiate with respect to x using product rule. First function as it is, that is e to the power y as it is. Differentiation of x plus 1 is 1 plus 0 plus second function, that is x plus 1 as it is. Differentiation of e to the power y is e to the power y into dy by dx is equal to differentiation of 1. Differentiation of constant is 0. Now you identify the term that is in the second term, that is x plus 1 e to the power y. What is the value of x plus 1 e to the power y from the question? In the question given e to the power y, x plus 1 is 1. I am substituting that value, that is e to the power y into 1 plus 1 plus 0 is e to the power y plus x plus 1 e to the power y is, that is 1 into dy by dx is equal to 0, or that is same as simplify, that is you will get dy by dx value is minus e to the power y. Now find out double derivative. Differentiate again with respect to x, you will get d square y by dx square is equal to differentiation of minus e to the power y is minus e to the power y into dy by dx. Now observe, identify clearly, dy by dx value is minus e to the power y, and here you have to prove d square y by dx square value is equal to dy by dx whole square. So I am substituting minus e to the power y as dy by dx from the first order derivative. So you will get d square y by dx square is equal to dy by dx into dy by dx. So that is same as dy by dx whole square, which is the required equation, hence it is proved. Question number 17. If y is equal to tan inverse x whole square, prove that x square plus 1 whole square y2 plus 2x into x square plus 1 into y1 is equal to 2. See here the notation used is y1, that is the first order derivative, y2, that is the second order derivative, and I am using same notations, and within 5 steps I am trying to get the answer in one of the very important problem. So I will start with y, given function, that is y is equal to tan inverse x whole square. Differentiate with respect to x. differentiation of y is y1 is equal to differentiation of tan inverse x whole square is 2 tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square. I am using cross multiplication, that 1 plus x square terms goes up in the left side, that is 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now I am finding second order derivative, double derivative. Left hand side function is the product of two functions, so I am using product rule, that is first function 1 plus x square as it is, differentiation of y1 is y2, plus second function y1 as it is, differentiation of first function, that is differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x, is equal to differentiation of 2 tan inverse x is 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. Again I am cross multiplication I am doing, that is 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square is, that is x square plus 1 whole square into y2 plus 2x into x square plus 1 into y1 is equal to 2, which is the required equation, hence it is proved. If y is equal to sin inverse x, show that 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx is equal to 0. Given function is here y is equal to sin inverse x, differentiating with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. I am going for the cross multiplication. I am getting square root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to 1. Squaring both sides, square root of 1 minus x square whole square is 1 minus x square into dy by dx whole square is equal to 1 square is 1. Now I am differentiating once again. Left hand side is product of two function, so using product rule, first function as it is, that is 1 minus x square as it is. Now tell me what is the differentiation of dy by dx whole square. Dy by dx whole square, differentiation is 2 into dy by dx into d square y by dx square. Using chain rule you will get that one, plus second function, that is dy by dx whole square as it is, differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus 2x is equal to differentiation of 1 constant is 0. Now throughout the equation, divide by 2 dy by dx, you will get 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx is equal to 0, which is the required equation, and hence it is proved. And question number 11 to 18, these problems are very important and one of the fixed question for your annual examination for 5 marks. So please practice question number 11 to 18 properly, and if you are finding difficult, please see the video once again. Please see the video once again and try to understand and try to get 5 marks in the annual examination. Thank you.